Next time y'all see this car, it's gonna look totally different. But I gotta shout myself out again. NRL Designs, Instagram NRL_designs.
With a Z.
With a Z now, not a S. Check us out, and next time y'all see this car, totally different.
So yeah, I'm here at the wrap shop. I'm about to pop up on them and see what's going on with my car. So I'm ready to get my car.
You want this light on?
Yeah, give me a spotlight.
On there.
Y'all photo shoot ready too. That's what it looks like with the wide body pieces. Oh.
So we got the matte black on the hood. We got the matte black on the trunk. We just gotta put the matte black here. We'll do that today, and we're gonna do this whole side, of course, in the new color. Now we went down to here. Is this where you wanted this one to stop?
Yeah.
And not here, right? You want the new color there. Okay. Of course, we took the spoiler off. That was wasn't too bad. We took all your threads off. So, see, it almost looks like a non-wide body.
Yeah.
I didn't realize.
A narrow body.
Yeah. When you take them off, I didn't realize the actual fender still stuck out further. I was thinking it was just a flare.
Right.
But it's actually the fender too. I guess because the fender needs some support under there to hold that. So it's pretty good.
Right. So Nick, Wednesday, can I pick it up?
Wednesday? Oh, you want it early.
Wednesday.
We might. We're about to do that whole side today and have it all ready, and then we'll do this whole side. And then
Now that looks so smooth.
yeah. Badass. It even looks a bit like this right here, like sitting in the showroom.
Cause that's what I was just gonna do first. I said, might as well do it all.
Yeah. Right.
You got any new wrap in?
Go all out. Oh, we ain't got no too many colors like yours. Yours is, yours is extremely unique.
Yeah, you gotta be, top of the line to get that.
You gotta stand out.
They're gonna wrap. Ooh.
Are you gonna leave these little ones right here? Did we talk about that? Or do you want that crystal color in there?
I'm gonna do something with that whenever I get my wheel nuts.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have them like the same. Okay. I'm trying to wait till the wrap get on so I can see which color don't pop out the most.
Yeah, that's true. It's got some, that'd be best, because once you put it on there, you can know what you need. Because if you make it lime green or something, it might be too much lime green,
I was thinking, the way I was looking at the wrap online, I was thinking purple, because it ain't really standing out a lot.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of purple in it.
It's like all the bright colors popping out the most.
Yeah. The colors you could probably really jump from is the purple, the orange, or maybe even the blue.
Yeah.
Because you see mainly green. Green's the whole background.
Then there's green right there, and then you got that yellow.
And which even that mint looking color too. So. And the hot glue.
Yeah, you barely see that on there.
You don't really even notice that. You have to start looking.
It's like they just popped that in there.
Yeah.
That reminds me. Let me see. It ain't the same, but
I saw those sitting right there.
These came off my other one.
Oh, okay. Think you gonna put them on here?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw them on there until I get some new ones made.
Okay. That's good. You were able to take it off.
Yeah.
Is that what was factory on your car and you just had them painted, or
yeah, They hydro dipped it for me. That company in St. Paul's, you know, they did me like a little sponsorship.
Okay, yeah. And so basically what we'll do a whole side at a time. That way all the pattern matches completely.
Right.
But of course when you get into like the bumper on each one, those won't completely match up because of course that would be, you never be able to make that pattern completely match. But that's the way all those are, you know. Because I try to make them match as perfect as you can, but you know, so that's why we'll do a whole side at a time.
I need it Wednesday, Nick.
Alright. And I started to take this off, but we can do it actually without even removing that. So, because if we take that off, yeah, so I was like, I looked at it and saw this rubber on the side here, so we won't even, you know, we can tuck into the rubber there, and you actually, right here, I can tuck in there and cut without having to remove it, so we're good.
Okay.
Because I've removed one before on the other green one, and it kind of
it's clean.
You have to re-intake that whole thing.
Let me get a cold start.
Cold start?
Hold on, let me get my other camera ready. So they do everything. Paint brake calipers.
Because it needs to be fully dry anyway before I put those in there, so.
You do most of the work?
Yeah.
Nick.
This little Nick right here.
Nick be in the water while you're here doing the work, huh?
Yeah. I have to make it look like that way.
His car loud. It ain't louder than mine, so I don't use.
Oh man, let's see.
It ain't louder than mine. Yeah. You go ahead and cut it off. You go ahead and cut it off. Yeah, you go ahead and cut that off.
What was that thing called?
Yeah. You hear that? It's got the bumper alarm. Alright now, next time y'all see this car, it's going to look totally different. But I got to shout myself out again. NRL Designs, Instagram NRL_designs.
With a Z?
With a Z now, not a S. Check us out, and next time y'all see this car, totally different.